Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Random DIY Garden. In this episode, I will show you on how to make bamboo plant indoor decoration. So please watch my full tutorial until the end of my video. Coming up. Let's start making full tutorial indoor bamboo plant for our decoration. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to Random DIY Garden and hit the notification bell bottom for more videos. Thank you and God bless you all.